Assalamualaikum and hi to TS Dr. Muhammad Faris and also our fellow classmate. We will present about Arthrospira or known as spirulina. This video will be presented by Siti Shamina Husna binti Muhammad Syahrul, Nur Hamzati Azra binti Hamidun, Siti Nurhanani binti Muhammad Fauzi and Nur Amira binti Amran.
Arthrospira or spirulina is a cyanobacterium or blue algae type with a filament life form. Spirulina is in cyanobacterium type because spirulina live in aquatic habitat and also use chlorophyll for photosynthesis. Spirulina often called as superfood because spirulina plays role in many industry with nutritional power. Other than that, spirulina also used in many countries such as in ancient Mexico, Actis. Spirulina used as a food to feed their people, and in Africa, spirulina is used as a source of traditional cake called dihi. Next, the scientific clarification. The name of spirulina has changed a few times. Before 1989, spirulina pentensis is the name that used, but after that, the name is changed to Arthrospira pentensis. But the term of spirulina is still used until today. Kingdom of spirulina is Monera. This is because spirulina is unicellular organism, prokaryotic cell, and can be eutrophic like cyanobacteria and heterophic. And spirulina is a cyanobacterium and a photosynthetic prokaryote. Next, the phylum is Cyanobacteria, class is Cyanophyceae, order is Oscillatory, family is Formidaceae, genus is Arthrospira, and last the species is Pentensis. Last, I want to share some fun fact about spirulina. Spirulina or Arthrospira pentensis is not just a food on Earth, but also feed human in space because considered as a food of the future by NASA. Because spirulina is a potential food source for astronaut on a long-term space mission. Because it's high in nutrition, easy to grow in a small space, and needs minimal resource.
We move to the characteristic of Arthrospira or spirulina by looking at the morphology, nutrition mode, habitats and reproduction of spirulina. Morphology. Spirulina has a filamental structure and is arranged in helix shape, which gives spirulina its name. The individual cells in spirulina are in cylinder shape. Spirulina is lacking of membrane-bound organelles. However, it has a gas vacuole that used to move spirulina up and down in water to capture more sunlight and nutrients. Spirulina cell walls consist of peptidoglycan. It acts as a barrier to keep moisture inside the cell and prevent invading of other microbes. The second thing is the nutrition mode. Spirulina survive via autotrophy by changing inorganic compound to organic compound and using sunlight as an energy source. Spirulina convert carbon dioxide to glucose and other organic molecules. Spirulina needs nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and trace elements to survive. However, spirulina did not depend on fertilizer from fossil fuels or agricultural land. Enough light and nutrients that are available gives spirulina a quick growth. The third thing is the habitat. Spirulina is thriving in the tropical and subtropical water region. Spirulina live in warm and alkaline freshwater. As example is the Lake Texcoco in Mexico. Spirulina could grow in seawater by adapting to the salinity of the water. The optimal temperature for spirulina is 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, meanwhile the optimal pH is pH 9 until pH 11. Too low temperature will cause a low metabolic rate of spirulina, and too high temperature will cause damage to the spirulina cell wall. Last but not least is the reproduction of spirulina. Spirulina reproduce via binary fission and fragmentation. Spirulina will keep growing at favorable condition and continuously via binary fission without breaking apart from each other. However, in a stressed environment, spirulina will form necroidia within the cell chain. Later, the necroidia will fall apart and break the chain into several fragments. The size of the fragments is between 5 to 15 cells long. The fragment known as hormogonia. Hormogonia will enter a binary fission cycle to become a mature cell. That's all. Thank you.
Now let's begin with the health benefit of spirulina platensis. One of the most significant findings is its anti-cancer potential. Research showed that C-cyclothionein, a pigment protein purified from this species, significantly inhibit the growth of leukemia K562 cells in vitro. Beyond cancer, spirulina also shows strong antimicrobial activity. Other than that, a study found that methanol extract of spirulina platensis had potentials against multi-drug resistant bacteria, especially Streptococcus faecalis, Staphylococcus epidermidis, and Candida albicans. Moving on to the environmental benefit, spirulina platensis contribute significantly to the climate change mitigations. Like other microalgae, it captures carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and produces oxygens, helping reduce the greenhouse effect. In terms of renewable energy, spirulina could be used to produce biodiesels and biogas, especially methane, making it a promising energy source. In addition, spirulina is a powerful tool for bioremediations. It has excellent bioabsorption and bioaccumulation capacity, meaning that it can remove heavy metals and industrial pollutants from the water. It also plays a role in wastewater treatment, using organic compound as a carbon and energy source. Finally, let's look at its industrial applications. Spirulina is a nutrient-rich, grow quickly, and is non-toxic, making it ideal for various industries. For example, in the food and pharmaceutical sectors, it's used in functional foods and nutritional supplements. It's especially rich in vitamin B12, which supports healthy red blood cells productions and helps prevent anemia. Other than that, it also boosts the immune system. Cyclosinins from the spirulina stimulates T lymphocytes and natural killer cells and improve the functions of the spleen and the thymus glands, so this is the key components of the immune response. Still in the food industry, spirulina can be processed into powder and added to the products like soups, pasta, snack, and instant drink. And the last one, in the agriculture, it serves as a natural fertilizer, offering an eco-friendly alternative to the chemical fertilizers.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Amira bin Jamar. Today, I'll be presenting on Chapter 4 examples of commercialized products or processes from microbes focusing on spirulina. The first product is phycocyanin or blue spirulina. Phycocyanin is a natural blue pigment extracted from spirulina, specifically Arthrospira plantasis, which is a type of blue green alga. Phycocyanin undergoes an extraction process to preserve its color and stability and was cultivated using alkaline and water conditions. To extract it, the cell walls of spirulina are broken down using enzymatic treatment, mechanical grinding, or ultrasonic methods. Once purified, phycocyanin is freeze-dried or spray-dried into a stable powder. To maintain shelf life and avoid degradation, stabilizers are added. The next is phycocyanin in energy drinks. This compound is widely used in sports and wellness drinks because it helps boost performance, stamina, and recovery. It is also a safe and natural food colorant, free from harmful chemicals and artificial additives, making it a popular choice in health products. The last one is Hawaiian spirulina spearmint tablets. To ensure freshness and purity, these tablets are packed in airtight containers that prevent moisture from affecting quality. Spirulina is cultivated under carefully monitored conditions and collected when it reaches its full maturity. The products use ocean chill drying technology to preserve nutrients and antioxidants. They are rich in essential minerals like iron and magnesium, vitamins A, K, and B12, and also antioxidants. One of the key antioxidants is phycocyanin, which helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress, supportive overall immune function and energy levels. In conclusion, these examples show how microbes like spirulina can be commercialized into functional health products that are natural, effective, and safe. Thank you.